Hi everyone, welcome back to Python Code Nemesis. In today's video, we'll understand the necessity of cross-origin resource sharing CORS. Let's get started. In today's interconnected web ecosystem, web applications are becoming increasingly complex and relying on various sources from different domains to provide a seamless user experience. However, ensuring security while allowing such interactions poses a significant challenge. This is where cross-origin resource sharing (CORS) comes into play. CORS is a crucial web security mechanism that allows web servers to specify which domains can access their resources, ultimately safeguarding user data and privacy. In this technical article, we'll delve into why CORS is essential and how it works. Before we explore CORS, it's essential to understand the problem it addresses: cross-origin requests. A web page makes a cross-origin request when it attempts to fetch resources, images, scripts, or data from a domain different from the one that served it. Browsers implement a security feature known as Same Origin Policy to prevent such requests by default. The same origin policy is essential for security as it prevents malicious websites from making unauthorized requests to other websites on behalf of the user. However, it can also hinder legitimate interactions between domains, making defining exceptions for safe cross-origin communication necessary. This is where CORS comes into play. The solution: cross-origin resource sharing. CORS is a security feature implemented by web browsers that enables controlled access to resources on a different domain. It works by allowing servers to specify which domains are permitted to access their resources. This fine-grained control ensures that only trusted and authorized domains can access sensitive data. This is how CORS works. Pre-flight request. Before making the request, the browser sends an HTTP options request to the target server. This pre-flight request asks the server if the actual request get or post is permitted. Server configuration. Upon receiving the pre-flight request, the server checks its CORS configuration. This configuration includes rules specifying which domains can access its resources, what HTTP methods are permitted, and which headers can be sent. Response headers. The server responds to a pre-flight request with appropriate headers such as access control allow origin, access control allow methods, and access control allow headers, indicating which domains, methods, and headers are permitted for the request. Actual request. The browser sends the actual request if the pre-flight request is approved based on the server's CORS configuration. The browser allows the request to proceed if the server's response headers match the request's origin, method, and headers. Why do we need CORS? Security. The primary reason for implementing CORS is to enhance security. It prevents malicious websites from making unauthorized requests to other domains on behalf of the user. Privacy. CORS helps protect user data and privacy. Without CORS, any website could access a user's sensitive information from other domains, leading to data breaches. Control. CORS provides web developers granular control over which domains can access their resources. This control ensures that only trusted sources can retrieve data or perform actions. Third-party integrations. Many web applications rely on third-party services and APIs hosted on different domains. CORS allows these applications to interact seamlessly with external resources while maintaining security. That was it for understanding CORS. This is something that all of us face when we are writing our first web application. I faced it and I wasn't sure why the error was coming. And then I went through Stack Overflow and found that it's a CORS error. So next time you have this, All you need to do is make a simple code change in your Flask app, allowing which domains do you want to give access to, and then that will solve your issue. So if you're doing a front end and a back end on the same system, this will definitely help you debug that issue. That happened for me. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave questions or feedback in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to Python Code Nemesis. Have a great day.